I'm very excited to show you one of our best sellers, our Model U Villa. One of the many reasons as to why this Model U Villa is so popular is because of its size. With 239 square meters of construction, distributed in 2 floors, we have on the first level this beautiful modern kitchen. We have this carefully designed open concept with the dining area and the living room, all sharing one space for the enjoyment of all the family. Downstairs, we also have one of the secondary bedrooms with its bathroom and closet. When you come into your house, to the left, you're going to have your half bathroom for guests, and to the right, you're going to have the stairs that will take you to the second floor. This house has in total 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So like I said, downstairs we have one of the secondary bedrooms. So join me to show you the other 2 bedrooms upstairs. In addition to the 2 bedrooms that we have here upstairs, we also have this beautiful family room so that you have more space to enjoy very nice moments with your family. We're currently in the master bedroom of this beautiful Model U Villa. This bedroom has its own bathroom as well as the others, but it also has a very big walk-in closet for you to accommodate all your belongings. You will also have this beautiful large balcony for your morning coffee overlooking the pool that makes this the perfect, if you ask me, master bedroom. And if you like to enjoy our heavenly weather all year round, you will have this amazing outdoor space just for you to do so. And I know by now you're probably wondering how much this beautiful state of art is worth, and we have it available from $308,000 with a very flexible payment plan. So you will reserve your unit with $2,000, 20% within 30 to 45 days, an additional 20% during construction time that will be divided in monthly installments. And by the time your home is fully built, you will complete or pay the 60% that's going to be remaining of the balance. So if you want to know more about this and the other models that we have available, we will leave the contact information down below. Thank you.